South African men and other African men? What is the difference?
For me, I would say there's no difference because we all men, but it's depending of the culture and the view and where the person comes from. Because I would say in South Africa there's different culture, which is Khoza, Zulu, Trvel, and whatever.
Yeah.
In Nigeria there's different culture.
Yes.
In my country we got different culture.
Yes.
So the way in my country, in my culture,
Yeah.
we treat the woman is not the same way in South Africa. In
They
their
treat-
culture, they treat the woman.
Exactly.
So now it's depending of me falling into our culture and our bonds or our relationship go well. Because I'm falling into our culture. The same way you go to the woman, she fall into my culture. The way we do things into our culture is different to their culture. She fall into me and we carry on like that. So it depends. We cannot say, I cannot give an opinion for a Nigerian man.
Yeah, for a South
Congolese
African man.
or South African man.
Exactly.
Men are men, but we got different views.
But now you see, the problem that we have is that mostly right now we have a lot of South Africans who are actually complaining, especially South African guys, are complaining that most of these girls are no longer interested in them. They go to our African brothers who are coming from Nigeria, Congo, Malawi, and so forth. What do you think is the problem?
Okay, that's why I went to the culture thing.
Yeah,
Because in my culture, I'm a man.
yeah,
I'm a man.
Yeah.
I was raised
yeah.
to provide for the family.
Okay,
You get my point?
okay.
That's in my culture. So that which means when she fall for me, I'm a man. I'm not gonna only do because she's a South African, even the woman of my country. So I'm not in my country right now. I'm in South Africa. So if you are falling in love with this woman of this country, I will do the same way I treat my woman. If I have to spend, there's two different things.
Yeah.
If the men are complaining, it's because we were raised, you need to look after your woman.
So are you? Sorry, I'm very interested.
Okay.
So are you saying maybe our South African men lacks they lack the skills of taking care of a woman? Maybe that's why our South African women are actually moving away from them, and they are going to our foreign African guys.
The other way, I will say it like that.
Yeah.
I will say it like that. Because in this country, it's 50-50.
Yeah.
In my country, as a man, you are the chief of the family. You need to take care of her.
Okay.
She needs to look after the family. She
Oh,
needs